Vertical wrinkles, one of the most stubborn areas to treat on the face in our clinic. And the reason why is because typically wrinkles happen from a contraction of a muscle that folds the skin. However, these lines don't happen because of the contraction of the muscle. We're going to talk about what causes these lines and what's the best way to treat them. Let's get right into it. Too often at our clinic do we have clients come back after they've had their injectables done. They look great. However, they're stuck with these vertical or kind of diagonal lines along the forehead here. And the reason why that happens is because of the way they sleep. The compression from their pillow ends up pushing pressure onto the skin, making these folds. Now, these wrinkles don't only happen on the forehead, they happen all along the side of the face as long as there's pressure there, right? So imagine you doing this and you staying like that for 8 hours straight. Imagine how deep those wrinkles can be. That's essentially what's happening whenever you're sleeping on the side of your face with a standard pillow and it's causing this compression. Now, isn't that annoying? You spend all this money on anti-wrinkle medications, skincare, microneedling, radiofrequency, and lasers, and you're still stuck with these vertical wrinkles all on the side of your face. Well, this is the reason why a lot of people are changing their pillow. Of course, the best way to prevent these wrinkles from happening is to learn how to sleep on your back. However, if you've been a side sleeper for several years, we all know how difficult that can be. So this is why the Omnia Pillow is great. It's designed for side sleepers. It has cutouts and contours to caress the face and also relieve a lot of the pressure on the face that causes these vertical wrinkles. It's especially effective at treating and preventing wrinkles that happen at the mid-face, and that's going to be anywhere from the lower tear trough, mid-face right here, worsening nasolabial fold, a fold that happens above the lip, and also right in front of the marionette zone. Now, you may have noticed that I rarely, if ever, promote anything on this channel. However, I personally use this product and I do recommend it to our clients at our clinic because it works. It does take a little getting used to sleeping on a new type of pillow, but if you can push through it for a couple weeks, I assure you this will work and this pillow is going to fix that issue for you. And by the way, in the description below, there is a link to a discount code if you opt to purchase this pillow. Now, another way to prevent these wrinkles from forming is with something called face taping. This is where you take something like a kinesio tape and you place it directly over these vertical lines. And as you sleep, it prevents the skin from folding. Now, the downside with kinesio tape is the glue and other chemicals that potentially can irritate the skin. So if you're acne prone or if you have sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't recommend this option. Now, although I mentioned earlier that most treatments in clinic aren't effective at treating these wrinkles, there is one treatment that's particularly effective, and that's the Ferning technique. And this is where a skilled provider places a minute amount of hyaluronic acid filler directly into the skin adjacent to the wrinkle, and it acts like a scaffold. It prevents the skin from folding and really does wonders for those lines. Now, you have to have the right skin type and a proper consult is necessary, so make sure you see the right provider. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, exercise daily, and please be nice to absolutely everyone. Cheers, guys.